Hello everyone, I'm Zhang Yushu. Today I would like to briefly and comprehensively introduce research results of our group. Using the lecture Electricity Key Factors Supporting Information Technology Outsourcing in Technology Innovation Centers. This lecture fits our information technology theme well and show how managers can make better outsourcing decisions. The author used two well-known N7 credit tools, tree diagrams and interrelationship diagrams, to organize many ideas and show the connection between them. These tools make complex topics simple and easy to understand. Our presentation is divided into 5 clear parts, so you always know where we are. First, we will explain what the N7 tools is. Then, we will summarize the prepare in plain language and tell you why the two tools mentioned above are best suited for the task. Second, we will show you how to divide the original factors into clear classes using affinity and correlation diagrams, and highlight the main device with errors. Finally, we will list the ranking to help manage quickly and definitely
Hello everyone, in this part I will give a brief overview of the new 7 tools of quality, or simply the new 7 tools. These tools are widely used in quality management to help teams and individuals tackle complex problems and improve process. There are 7 tools in total. The affinity diagram helps organize large sets of ideas into related groups. The interrelationship diagram reveals cause and effect links between different issues. The tree diagram breaks down broad goals into smaller, manageable tasks. The matrix diagram shows relationships between different elements or departments. The prioritization matrix helps to rank options based on certain criteria. The process decision program chart identifies potential problems and solutions in advance. And finally, the activity network diagram is used to plan and make tasks effectively. Each of these tools is simple yet powerful, and when used together, they can significantly improve problem solving and project management.
The purpose of this study is to identify and rank the key factors that affect the success of IPO projects, aiming to provide decision support for project management in the Technology Innovation Center of Alagoas State, Brazil. The study ranks the key factors extracted from 21 literature through a multi-criteria analysis framework to solve the problem of unclear priority in localization management. In order to make the complex factors clear and easier to understand, the study used affinity diagrams and relationship diagrams. The affinity diagram divides the key factors into 5 categories according to concepts such as finance, project management, and quality to help us understand their internal connections, while the relationship diagram further reveals the causal relationship between those factors and clearly presents their interactive impact in project promotion.
Hello everyone, in this part I will explain the application of the affinity diagram in our study. An affinity diagram is a tool used to organize large amounts of information into logical groups based on nature relationships. It helps identify patterns, simplify complex data, and support clear decision making. In this study, we used the affinity diagram to organize the 21 key success factors for IT outsourcing, which were gathered through literature review and expert judgment. Grouping these factors allow managers to better focus on what matters most in outsourcing decisions. The 21 key factors were grouped into 5 categories based on their conceptual similarity. For example, the financial group includes financial aspect and payment punctuality. The business group contains factors like technical capacity and strategy alignment. The partnership group is focused on communication, trust, and culture compatibility. There are also groups for project management, which include factors like construct and risk management, and finally quality represented by production quality. This grouping structure helps managers and stakeholders propose it area during project planning and provide the clear view of which relationship and process are most critical.
The international diagram is one of the new 7 tools used to analyze the cost-effective relationships between factors. The step to build it are identify the key problem or factor. Write each factor on a card or note used around to show the cost-effective relationship group-related factors, revise for quality and logical flow. Key factors analyze project management. The most straightforward factor influencing business and partnership, which in turn affect finance and quality. Partnership affects finance and quality through communication and trust, enhancing strategy alignment and resource sharing, which improve project execution and risk management. Business, senior business involvement and technical capacity, drive partnership and support smooth project management. Finance, payment, timeliness, and financial management impact quality and project success, boosting efficiency, quality, production quality, and risk management directly influence project success, particularly during production and delivery.
Now that we understand the relationships between the factor groups, let's look at how the researchers rank them in order of importance. To determine the most important factors, the researchers use a multi-criteria decision-making method called Primacy 2. The method ranked all 21 factors by comparing them against each other. Based on the judgments of the interviewed managers, it provides a clear and complete hierarchy from most to at least important. The analysis revealed the top 5 most critical factors for successful IT outcome. In first place was quality production. This was followed by having a well-defined contrast in second place. The third most important factor was senior management engagement, followed by effective risk management in fourth. The clear communication in fifth. What this tells us is significant. These results show how managers prioritize tangible outcomes and a strong, secure project framework. They are most concerned with the quality of the final service, supported by a solid contrast, high-level commitment, risk mitigation, and open communication.
This article combined literature review and field research to develop and validate a multi-criteria ranks framework of identifying key success factors in IT outsourcing. It provides a clear, practical way to improve the quality and management of IT outsourcing projects, especially for small and medium companies in local innovation ecosystem. The article applied two tools from the new 7 tools of quality, the affinity diagram and the interrelationships diagram, as positive methods to organize, group, and analyze the relationship among key success factors. Affinity diagram. The 21 key success factors identified through literature and research are summarized into 5 core dimensions to help a manager quickly understand the aspect that needs to be focused on. Interrelationship diagram. The relationship diagram visualizes the sequential relationship among different factor groups, facilitating the construction of high goals. It's helpful for formulating an operational roadmap for the evolution of outsourcing quality.